which one?
I don't care. Just a bunny.
Bunny him?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you got to roll higher than an 8.
I can't. Alright. Your odds aren't good.
The black one.
They're lower.
I'm making this a long message.
I can't believe we lost the blue die.
Wow.
He goes down.
Oh, it's okay. I got it.
Oh, it's a 3. That looked like an 8.
It's okay. I got it.
Even if it was an 8.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah,
I got
Okay,
it.
so did you go, Brett?
She has 2.
Does this count as a bunny?
2,
No.
1.
Oh.
A little guy.
I didn't do my turn. Oh wait.
Yeah, you did. You attacked him. So you got to lay one down and then draw.
No, wait.
No, I was looking at who has how many bunnies.
I have 2. Kelly has 3.
You guys.
She's got 2.
2. 1. Come on.
2.
Keep going clovers.
You know what those are, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now it's your turn, buddy.
I heard that.
No, that was
Flip
my
your card.
Oh.
It like.
So
Yeah.
Are you recording yourself?
Yeah. For my channel.
Yeah, he has a
Okay,
YouTube.
that's cool. Oh, poverty poker.
S.
Ooh.
Why you're doing that?
Okay, so now you can pick either you can say a bunny,
What's the
water,
sentence.
money,
What's that? What does it say?
It says almost a full sentence that time.
and everyone that has it has to put it in. So like, what would you want?
Money.
And then what everybody does, everybody rolls a die. Whoever has the highest.
And he's going
wins the
along
pot.
with it, which is funny.
So how much money?
No, I told him it was
$10.
Well, but you know what though, buddy? You only have one, so you can only bet
Yeah, my
$1.
turn. My turn.
Okay, wait. Whoever has $1 has to put it in.
I have to
You could read this time though. Okay.
Did you hear me?
Who?
Everybody that has, well, I know we can break it though. Okay, so there's $1 back for you. We need $1 from you and you.
I have to go back downstairs
And
after
then
this.
who?
I have to go downstairs after this. And I don't get to play.
Who said?
Oh,
Her
she
mom.
has to go. She has to
time
go
for
to bed after this, and she
Oh.
didn't even get to play.
Well, we'll come back and play, baby. Okay?
I want to play today.
I'm sorry, I'm not your mom, baby. I can't do nothing about it.
So whoever gets the lowest.
The highest.
Wait, what's happening? I'm confused.
Okay, everyone, it's called poverty poker.
Okay.
So he picked $1. Everyone has to put in $1.
I'm going to show you the card.
What do we do?
Totally not just.
We're taking. So you want to roll the dice for me?
Okay, give me your 10, Brett.
So he loses. Roll the dice for me.
Hmm?
That's what that card is.
No. If he gets the highest one, he wins it all.
Okay.
Okay, so there's your.
Okay.
Give me your 10, Brett.
Don't mess that up. So
That's your change.
So do I roll?
So whoever.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 7, B to 7.
I got a
6.
9.
Where's the dot? On the bottom? Okay, yep, that's a 9. So you got to either tie or get higher than a 9.
There's a dot.
Is it at the bottom? Where's it at?
6.
The dot's above. Okay.
Oh.
So
Oh.
you got the 9?
I got a 9.
So Caitlin wins.
Oh, that was a nice roll, Aria. I let her roll for me because she had to
So
go
the dot's a
downstairs.
9?
Yeah, the dot's the bottom.
Oh, so that's a 6.
Yeah, see, so if it's at the
Okay.
bottom, there's a 6, and if it's at this one, see. Oops.
Let's see. Does it have 5?
No, it has one, but it's at the bottom.
Get
too.
away until this round's over.
See, there's a
I'll
9,
play.
Okay,
Yeah,
got
but
and then the 6 is.
All
at
right.
the, yeah.
it. So it's
Wait.
So now, you put your second card down?
Yeah.
Did you draw one?
Wait. Yeah, no.
I still
Okay.
where
how
I
many
still
is
have $16. Actually, in real life, I have 4.
Wow.
No, wait.
Yeah,
Wait,
you can
Mom.
put those- yeah,
Our
just
neighbor
go
was
ahead and
supposed
put-
to give me
so you need one?
$20 today.
which neighbor?
Our
Anything.
next door neighbor, that
Wait.
neighbor,
Yeah. I
because
have
I
3.
raked his yard.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
2 doors down?
So
No.
No, I'm literally right next to it, honey.
2.
Again? You're in the yard again?
I didn't do that. No. So
Okay,
2
so
days
here's your
ago,
carrot card. So
2 days
these
ago, I
can
did
stay here.
the neighbor's
Alright.
We got
2 doors
Seth
down. They had a
and
corgi, and then
you-
yesterday I did our neighbor's yard,
Haru.
our next door neighbor's yard, and they
So
said
now it's
that
your turn.
didn't have $20.
Meat, knuckle,
yesterday,
and
so
meat
they just did today.
sandwich.
No, but you. Oh.
Rammy.
Free
Okay.
oh, yeah. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
no, that one you go ahead and pull them now.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Meatloaf meat
3 cabbage.
3 cabbage cards?
No, free. It just says
sandwich.
maybe used once
What do you
by
say?
a player to take
Maybe
2
a
cabbage
hutch
cards.
and-
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So now, yeah, you draw 2 cabbage cards.
Okay, whose turn is it?
It's mine. I'm playing.
What? Why y'all
So now you lay one down.
I know.
You still don't have a bunny?
No.
Wow. And look at Calowicious. Hold on, wait, before you play, let me show you.
Good thing.
Okay. Show you my cards again.
There's no point in trading your money when you can
Okay, so it's your turn now.
Actually, don't that way.
Yeah.
We're recording a video.
2?
Carrots.
So choose,
Mom, only
choose
if
2
you're
carrot
recording a
cards.
video. Or 4 video. Sorry. Butch and Flo.
Butch and Flo?
Yeah.
Okay, so those are,
Got Norman and Ray.
okay. Run your cards.
My cards.
Excuse me.
Okay, go, Brad.
What? Okay.
Okay,
So-
Trojan Bunny.
Where that
Yeah,
counts.
it's an attack
I'll go
card.
for Callie.
Callie?
Name gets detected.
You're orange.
Why? This is
Okay, so
why
now
I'm
we
like
need
the
to
winning
roll
Detect
person.
something.
Dad, I'm
higher than a
angry.
10. Ooh,
No
more.
what you would do.
Why'd
So
you?
you gotta roll higher? 11 or 12?
Why?
Oh, okay, your buddy's
Does
gone.
that make sense?
Yeah.
2 bunnies.
I know.
I just like hee 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 hee.
Okay, run your cards.
What?
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting.
Okay, go ahead.
Jaden.
Jake.
Wait, it's my turn.
Okay.
Alright.
Finally.
Area 51. Okay.
I
What
love
you
that
can do-
card.
Put that under your bunny,
It's one of my favorite.
and no one
cards
can
ever.
touch your bunny now.
Unless they bring another.
Unless somebody else gets this card, they can say, okay, nope, your bunny comes back to Earth, and you use that card.
Oh,
But for right now,
what if you have one UFO and you put it
or no, that's right. They don't have to
No,
make
no,
yours go
there's
back,
one.
but like say
So what it
if
does
Dan
is,
gets
like,
this
technically
card,
it ducks
and she puts it on
your-
her
I mean,
bunny,
it ducks your bunny.
then
so
your
it
bunny
stays,
comes
so
back.
Your bunny can't
Oh,
die.
And
I
you
already
use the
know.
card.
I already
But then
know.
if somebody else gets it, then your bunny comes
Then
back
your
down,
bunny
and then their bunny goes up.
She doesn't have a bunny, so let's go. All
right,
the bunny has a
Okay, so
shield.
now play your next
Okay.
card and draw a card.
I have to go with this one
Okay.
because I got 2 of those.
That's all right.
Let's see, I got 2.
Okay, now it's your mother's turn.
Mothers.
Come here.
Boom.
Oh! Well, you don't have a bunny
Yeah, I
anymore.
know.
But listen to what would have happened.
2, 4, 6.
One of your bunnies is trapped in an old Fiat just before it's sent to the local junkyard
$21.
compactor.
You don't have one, huh?
God, Mom, what's wrong with you?
I know, that's like the 4th one you've had.
Let me go.
Bad luck in this game.
You got barbecued,
gosh,
you got
what's
skewered
wrong
by a
with you?
lawn dart, you got
Bye.
the
what's wrong with
compactor.
you?
Alright, go ahead, Cal.
What's wrong with
So
you?
what was
Mom?
that? Oh,
Why'd you do that?
so you're attacking somebody?
That's the only card. Well, besides
21.
Okay.
here, but.
Who are you going to attack?
Mom, take
No.
It's only these 2. Guess how many I These had?
7.
2. His.
Yeah, you can't touch his.
No, just
Dan?
because you attacked me.
16.
The green or the yellow?
Who?
Dan.
Do you put your bunny down immediately?
Yellow.
Or does that have to run through? Your
Lello.
bunny? Lello.
No, you got to run it through.
Lello.
In the yellow? Okay, so you got to roll higher than a 9 for your yellow bunny to survive.
Oh,
What?
I guess we could just keep those.
Wait, how long? Wait. Wait, does this stay on forever?
Till your bunny
Higher than
dies.
a what?
Oh, okay. Okay.
A 9.
A
Guess
9.
what I got? A 1.
Your
A
odds
1?
were against you.
So
Your
now you're
buddy's
doing
gone.
it.
Bye bye, buddy.
Don't worry, I still have one more.
My back itches and I'm trying to. No, stop.
Okay, your turn, Missy.
Hey, where did mine? It's mine.
Yeah, it's your one.
Maybe placed on any bunny which must roll higher than 3 to survive. Woody? Actually, yeah.
No,
Oh, you can't go with
Which one, the
me.
green or the yellow?
I saved her, girl. You're welcome.
Still.
I know.
I'm so glad I got the Area 51.
Well, give her a roll.
Under my butt. Which one? Which one what?
Oh, wait,
Which
that
bunny
means-
do you want?
wait.
On her green one or
Oh,
her
on
yellow one?
hers?
Wait, can I can
didn't
buy
say.
stuff, right?
Yeah.
Green.
When? On my turn?
On your turn.
Okay,
The green
so
one?
that's the one.
I can buy
Two.
One,
I
yes!
have
Let's go!
$21.
Okay, so now your buddy's gone.
Wow, you're the offer with you.
Aw.
It's okay.
Yeah, she still has one.
Now does her bunny go to me?
I want to
No, he
I
dies.
know.
It dies.
Hey, baby.
Can I still keep the corpse?
No.
No.
Why?
That's morbid. That's like serial killer morbid. Yeah.
You can cut the foot off and save it again.
There you go.
You killed
I don't even have some.
poor mommy. She
Okay,
doesn't
so
have
Hannibal
that's your
Lecter.
What's that one? Gorge the bunny. What was that one?
It's you have to feed it 10
Oh, yeah.
cabbage and 10 water.
So you pick a bunny,
something
He's
on.
mine.
either
He's
dance
mine.
or...
You
I
go.
do have one.
And mine's in space.
She has stuff here. You can feed and water your bunny.
Oh, I only have one cabbage and one of these.
Okay, so you
Oh, it's my
need-
turn? Oh, I want to buy carrots. Hold on. There you go.
Can I buy carrots?
No.
On your turn.
It is my turn.
No, her.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that. Yes, you can buy a carrot. How much are they?
10.
$10, so you got
I want to buy 2.
20. Okay, yep.
So, 2 of these?
Two of the... No, two of these.
And do you have to have a bunny to buy carrots?
Mhm. And you have to have a bunny at the end. When all the carrot cards are gone, that's when the game stops. And if you don't have a bunny, even if you have carrot cards, don't matter.
Okay, it's my turn.
Poor mom.
I
no.
know.
Oh, yeah, so this is on your turn. So you just wait until the end of your turn. You have to feed him 10 cabbage and 10 water.
Brutal.
Or-
Like yours.
Wait.
It's
Like
gorge the bunny.
yours. So it's my turn.
Oh,
My
yeah.
knee.
I was like, what is that? I was like, oh, it's your knee.
So, does everybody roll? And then,
No, just you.
Oh, what just the.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Yeah, it just depends on which one you get. You roll all of them, and the lowest one.
Oh, that makes. No.
It's-
I was
it's-
just.
no, she don't need it now.
Yeah, it's just. Oh, okay, that
Remember,
makes
Dad
sense.
did that.
Yeah, I got
She got $10.
Oh,
10
I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, so now it's your turn, dude.
Yeah, it's your turn. I have $1 now.
What do you
I
got?
have
Maggot.
16.
Maggot. Ooh, so who has? Calowishes is the only one.
No, I have a bunny.
I think your poor bunny is dead.
No, not bunny. Cabbage.
Oh,
I don't have
cabbage.
cabbage.
So,
Yeah, I don't either.
Danica doesn't have a bunny?
No,
No, I have a
cabbage
bunny.
cards.
I don't have
Okay.
cabbage.
Oh.
So yeah,
She's
she's
all-
the only one. So you lose your cabbage card. Sorry.
My mom.
Saved.
Hmm?
My baby.
I got
My-
a cabbage.
No, you don't get it. It's
My
just
mom
gold.
has cabbage. My mom has cabbage.
Yeah.
You do? Oh.
Two of them.
Oh, okay. So you can pick either your mom.
I've only got one.
Okay.
So
So
you get your
you
one
lose
back.
your cabbage cards.
And I'm okay with that.
And then I can
They're
place.
upside down.
I know. That way, when we get to the bottom, you reshuffle.
So I'm just gonna go.
It's fine.
Just gonna go
Gosh.
down one.
Okay.
And then
And did you draw?
Not yet.
I barely just.
Okay.
Y'all are lucky.
Not bad.
Y'all are lucky.
For Kim, you haven't had a bunny at all, have you?
One at the very beginning.
Oh,
And-
that's right.
And then
I
It got barbecued.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
it got
he died.
barbecued.
It got barbecued.
By Callie.
No.
No, it was a
Hers-
play immediately card.
Yeah, play immediately.
Played
One of those
immediately.
rare accidental.
Oh, I got
Okay, your
As
turn,
the
Cal.
debt away.
My bunny's already dead.
No, not yet. Not yet. Not till the end of your turn. So go ahead, play your
So
top,
this
flip
is
your
the
card.
So you can
So I'm gonna show you my cards, and then that would be the end of the video. Bye. Well, not bye. Just I'll show you the video.
Or it wasn't.
I know, but I can't remember if she can do it before or after.